Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ONNX models for production data science pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To update ONNX models for production data science pipelines, begin by assessing the current model's performance. Gather relevant performance metrics from the existing model. Identify the data drift or performance degradation that requires a model update. Ensure you have the latest version of the ONNX runtime installed. Evaluate the new dataset that will be used for the update. Analyze the new data for any changes in distribution compared to the original training data. Determine if a retraining of the model is required based on the analysis. If retraining is necessary, gather the appropriate pre-processing steps used in the original model. Load the new dataset and apply the same pre-processing to ensure consistency. Train a new version of the model using the updated dataset. Validate the retrained model on a dedicated validation set to ensure it meets performance benchmarks. Once validated, convert the updated model to ONNX format if needed. Test the ONNX model locally to ensure it integrates well with the existing pipeline. Deploy the updated model to a staging environment for integration testing. Monitor the model's performance in the staging environment closely. After successful testing, deploy the updated ONNX model to the production environment. Continue to monitor performance metrics post-deployment for ongoing evaluation. Document the changes made during the update process for future reference. This ensures a continuous improvement cycle in the data science pipeline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.